I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Treasure NFTs. First, you'll need to ensure your MetaMask wallet is set up and accessible in your browser. Treasure NFTs primarily operate on the Arbitrum network, so adding this network to your MetaMask is a crucial initial step. Make sure you have some Ether on the Arbitrum network to cover any transaction fees. This process is straightforward and will get you ready to interact with Treasure. To add the Arbitrum network, open your MetaMask wallet and click on the network drop-down at the top. Select Add Network, then choose Add a Network manually. You'll need to input specific details: the network name, a new RPC URL, the chain ID, and the currency symbol. Always double-check these details against a reliable source, such as chainless.org, to prevent errors and ensure security. This step is vital for accessing your Treasure NFTs. Once Arbitrum is configured, navigate to the official Treasure Marketplace website. You'll typically find a Connect Wallet button prominently displayed, often in the upper right corner of the page. Click this button, and a list of compatible wallets will appear. Select MetaMask from this list. Your MetaMask extension will then prompt you to approve the connection request. Confirming this allows the marketplace to interact with your wallet securely. With your MetaMask wallet successfully connected, your wallet address should now be visible on the Treasure Marketplace. You are now ready to browse, buy, or sell Treasure NFTs. Always verify that your MetaMask is still set to the Arbitrum network before initiating any transactions. When making a purchase or sale, carefully review all transaction details in your MetaMask pop-up before signing. This ensures a safe and smooth experience with your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.